this is the distributed grid computing initiative by Stanford University called folding@home. Here they'll put your PC to some great use like studying Parkinson's, influenza, cancer, COVID-19, etc. But as you can see, as of now, you've got to be patient because they'll be soon starting the simulations of COVID-19 proteins, and they have different versions available, so they've got you covered. You have the standard Windows installer, the .exe legacy software here. In case you do not see your operating system, you can go to alternative downloads, and then you have an installer for macOS. You have Linux, the different distros for Linux. There's Debian, Mint, Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora. Okay, both 32 and 64-bit. So once you have downloaded this software, the client will run on your machine, and the interface for managing the tools will be a web interface. So here you can see they have some information about what exactly this initiative is all about, and if you can see, this is how the interface looks. So I've already created an account, Easytech4all, and if you want, you can join a team, which I haven't. So for that, you will have to add the team code and the passphrase. So as of now, I can research, I can allow them to use both my CPU and GPU to research Alzheimer's, cancer. Okay, so all these different diseases are here. As we've already said, that COVID-19 is up in the pipeline, so very soon they'll be running the simulations for COVID-19 because they're experiencing a very healthy demand, and many of the citizen scientists have jumped on board. So as of now, they are still working on it, and here you have some different controls at your discretion that you can allow the client to utilize what amount of CPU power, whether you want the load to be light, medium or full, and whether you want them to be using, whether you want the software to run in the background while you're working or only when your PC is idle. Okay, so, and you can also select the diseases, the different diseases that they have been running the simulations for, the protein synthesis for. Soon COVID-19 will be in this list. So, and in case you want to understand how this entire technology works, what exactly is grid computing or distributed computing, so just head straight to our YouTube channel where we made this video in the year 2016, uploaded it in the year 2016 on our YouTube channel, and you can see it very clearly states the project motto. It says it's the common man's supercomputing experience, saving the world while you sleep.